Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into Canva and learn how to merge two videos together. Click on the Create a Design button located at the top of your Canva workspace. Choose the video template to start your project. Navigate to the Videos menu on the left side of your screen. Select the video you want to use as your main video. Resize the video clip to cover the entire page. For this tutorial, we'll keep the video length at 20 seconds. Scrub through the video to find the exact point where you want to insert the second video. Once you've found the spot, left-click and select the option Split Page to split the video. Select the second page of your video. Go to the Elements menu on the left and click on Frames. Choose a square frame element and place it on your video. Adjust the size and position of the frame as needed. Return to the Videos menu and add your second video to the page. Drag and drop the video onto the frame. Select the Inset Video clip. Click on the border icon in the top menu bar. Change the border style to a solid line. Set the border thickness to 1. Finally, choose a white color for the border. Select the Inset Video. To create a seamless transition between the two videos, go to the Animate menu. Select the Fade animation. Choose the On Enter option. Reduce the animation speed to desired level. And there you have it. You've successfully merged two videos in Canva. This technique can be used to create eye-catching YouTube videos and other video content. Like this video and share it with your creative community. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Got questions or requests? Drop a comment below.